A very good afternoon to all of you. And today we'll be talking about, I'm Gagandeep, I always forget. So I'm Gagandeep, I'm a clinical psychologist at Unique Psychological Services. आज हम बात करेंगे how do you deal with a client who has suicidal tendencies. Have you ever encountered anybody जिसने कभी कोई फ्रेंड रहा हो, किसी ने कभी कोई बात की हो कि यार मरने का बहुत ख्याल आता है या would you like to share your experience में क्या हुआ?
There was this friend of mine and मतलब वो continuously he would tell me that you know there's nothing left in life and I really want to end it up.
Okay.
So मतलब it was very difficult for me to just you know persuade him not to do that because मतलब मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता था मैं बोलूँ क्या उस टाइम पे because this is something a very sensitive topic. अगर मैं जरा सा कुछ बोल दूँ and it might trigger it, कुछ हो ना जाए तो that was very difficult for me at that point of time. So I always was what I used to do was change the topic, like उधर से divert कर दो उसको.
Okay.
So
you felt very overwhelmed. मतलब कोई
Yeah.
अगर ये बात नहीं करता है तो
हाँ.
मुझे इतनी overwhelmed हो रहा था कि मुझे समझ नहीं आता मैं क्या टॉपिक ही चेंज कर दूं.
हाँ, because he is my friend, no, so I can't just I have to think from here, not here at that point of time.
Makes sense. Absolutely makes sense. Anybody else? Tisha, have you also? Anybody else? किसी ने कभी किसी ऐसे व्यक्ति को से इंटरेक्शन हुआ है? नहीं हुआ है. बट अगर होता तो आई एम श्योर बहुत ऐसा ही महसूस होता है. मगर since most of you क्या all of you are from the psychology background, तो बहुत हाई चांसेस हैं कि कोई डिस्ट्रेस्ड होगा आपका फ्रेंड आपके पड़ोस में आपके रिश्तेदारी में या इधर उधर, तो दे विल नॉर्मली कम अप टू यू कि बात कर लेते हैं. And in general, whether you are from the psychology background or not, I personally believe कि अगर कोई individual जो इस समय इतना vulnerable है, अगर वो आपसे कभी मिलता है या कहीं भी बात करता है किसी भी व्यक्ति से, चाहे उसका psychology background हो या ना हो, एक basic first aid, एक basic 1, 2, 3 pointers, don't you think we all should have? Because जो इनके साथ बोला, क्या ये संभावना है that your friend, since you were changing topics and that person at that point who's suicidal is very vulnerable, do you think there is a possibility कि वो individual लगे nobody is interested in me? कि मैं बात कर रहा हूँ देखो टॉपिक ही चेंज करिए, so I don't even matter. I'm talking something so graver. Don't you think that can make somebody feel more lonely and more worthless? So here are a few things that you must keep in mind, and we'll do a quick role play. Basic role play that anybody, whether you have a psychology background or you don't have a psychology background, you must follow. So few things. Step number 1 that you must keep in mind. A client who is suicidal is emotionally very vulnerable, right? तो बहुत लंबी चौड़ी बातें, लंबे भाषण, लंबे समझाना नहीं होगा. So keep your interactions more brief, to the point. Third, do not try and solve the problem. Fourth, focus more on helping the client vent out the issue. You can type on your laptops or write wherever. Wonderful, you're writing, so it will help you guys. Help the client vent out at that point. Get him talking because बात करना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है उस टाइम पर. Fifth, do not get into any moral policing. पाप है, ये पुण्य है, तुम्हारे घर वालों का क्या होगा, इसका क्या होगा, उसका क्या होगा. There's nothing, because at that point the individual is so vulnerable कि उसको लगता है मैं मर गया तो बात खत्म हो गई यार, I can't think beyond that. So nothing like this will do. More importantly, which is the major important point, do not panic. Because अगर आप पैनिक कर जाएंगे और आपके चेहरे पे इतनी हड़बड़ाहट होगी तो वो उसको भी ट्रांसफर होगी. इमोशंस कम्युनिकेबल होते हैं. And last but not the least, an important point is your job would be to get the client going. मतलब उससे बात करना और उसको बोलना let's seek the right help. आपका काम सिर्फ इतना है कि आप एक अच्छे साउंडिंग बोर्ड बन सकें, आप ओवर रिएक्ट ना करें, आप सिर्फ उसको बुलवाएं, टटोलें कि वो क्या कह रहा है. आपको ये नहीं कहना कि तुम सुसाइड मत करो, आपको बस उस थॉट को पोस्टपोन करवाना है और बोलना है let's seek right help, or you know someone, a professional or a psychologist, and you are ready to come along with him. You can have a bargain कि अच्छा एक बार चल ले, मरने का प्लान तो है ये ना, तो एक बार चल ले. Who knows, this may not be the last option. So why not try once? By the end of the day, you want relief from the pain, not from your life. isn't it? So if we have an option where I can find, maybe the client may say or your friend may say, तुम क्या बदल दोगी? घर वाले बदल दोगी, गर्लफ्रेंड बदल दोगी, इनफर्टाइल पति बदल दोगी, क्या बदल दोगी? XYZ your friend can say, right? So you don't have to make any false promise. Where you will not say हम ये बदल देंगे या वो बदल देंगे. But you can say, well, I don't know, but certainly अगर कुछ नहीं बदल सकते तो एटलीस्ट एक पर्सपेक्टिव तो बदला जा ही सकता है. And there has to be some way out. Is that clear? So this is what you'll keep in mind. Let's do a quick role play. कि आप कैसे बिहेव करोगे ऐसे इंडिविजुअल के साथ. बस ये आपको 3-4 स्टेप्स हैं जो फॉलो करने हैं. उसके बाद पंगे नहीं लेने हैं, बिकॉज वो वल्नरेबल है. स्टेट में आप किसी को बोला उल्टे हाथ के गुलप्पे खा के भी सब सही हो जाएगा, बंदा वो भी कर लेगा. बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट वर्किंग. द इमोशंस आर वेरी वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग, सो यू नीड टू बी वेरी सेंसिटिव. Clear? So let's do a quick role play at it. So we have a client who is probably thinking of putting an end to life or whatever. I don't know how she starts. So let's see. Good morning. Your name, please.
Ma'am, my name is Prajakta.
Prajakta. How old are you, Prajakta?
Ma'am, I'm 24 years old.
Right.
Ma'am, it's just that I've been feeling really overwhelmed these days. Like nothing makes sense at all. And it's like कि life में कुछ meaning ही नहीं रह गया है. And I just feel like ending it. Like there's just no purpose at all, you know, to live further on. So लगता है कि it's just सब खत्म कर दो.
I understand, Prajakta, that you seem very very overwhelmed. Guys, अक्सर जो client सुसाइडल होता है वो ऐसे ही बात करता है. बस नाम बताया, कहानी शुरू कर दी, हो सकता है नाम भी ना बताए. तो रेपो बिल्ड करने के लिए या स्ट्रक्चर डालने के लिए बोलने दो 2 मिनट क्लाइंट को. एंड देन से एंड ऑलवेज रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन इमोशंस. योर काउंसलिंग स्किल्स ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शंस आर वेरी वेरी एसेंशियल. पैराफ्रेजिंग विल वर्क वंडर्स हियर, राइट? एम्पैथी हैज टू बी हाई and active listening. So keep nodding, keep responding to the client. Very very essential, guys. Even if you are not from a psychology, अगर एक फ्रेंड, मैं इसकी फ्रेंड होती और मैं साइकोलॉजिस्ट नहीं होती तो भी ये करना है. ये स्टैंडर्ड थंब रूल्स हैं, ठीक है? बेसिक फर्स्ट एड जिसे बोलते हैं हम. So my response could be, Prajakta, you seem very very disturbed. I believe a lot is troubling within, and that has brought you to a point where you feel there's nothing great looking for in life, right? But can I know a little about you?
Mom, there is nothing more great to know about me. I'm just like simple girl, come from a humble background.
What do you do? You're 24 years old. What do you do? Now she was again deviating. और ऐसा ही होता है, जो client suicidal होता है वो इधर उधर deviate करता जाता है. कुछ नहीं है, क्या बताऊं, humble background, simple background. That's not giving me any much information. So therefore, very subtly, because you'll have to get that structure in, because सब बिखरा हुआ है, पूरे दिमाग में सब फैला हुआ है, कुछ क्लैरिटी नहीं है. तो आपको बहुत सटली क्लैरिटी भी लानी होती है. So I've just got down to therefore I very subtly pitched in. All right, so what do? कुछ आएगा, then I'll get down to family. Then I need to know हुआ क्या सब that brought you to this stage. Because उस point पर client खुद भी इतना vulnerable होता है. Yeah, let's do. We can ignore the sounds outside. Let it be. Can't control them. Thank you.
Ma'am,
So what do you do?
Ma'am, I work in an MNC in the HR department.
You work in an MNC in the HR department. Who all are there in your family, Prajakta?
Ma'am, in my family there's my brother, my parents. That's it. It's just 4 of us.
Okay. And your younger or the elder brother?
Ma'am, elder brother.
Elder brother. And who's the younger one? Sorry, and what do your parents do? I'm sorry.
Ma'am, my father is a businessman.
And your
my
mom?
mom is a homemaker.
Alright. Prajakta, tell me from the time when all was well, and then what happened? हुआ क्या that we came to this level?
Ma'am, see, I have had parents who...
No, I want you to say something कि मुझे कोई help नहीं चाहिए. I'm convinced कि कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. So how do you handle that? Because अक्सर अभी ये तो हो गया. When I say, and if she starts opening up, obviously she's opening up her concerns, and it will be easier for us to eventually tell her that I understand there are so many things that you're bothered about. I know anybody who goes through this won't be, it won't be easy for them. It's really, really tough. I appreciate or I value your courage for going through this, and even for opening up. It's not easy. But I know someone, suppose I'm her friend. So I'll say, well, I know someone who's really, really good, trust me. And she can really, really help you, or he can, either of the gender of the therapist that you know of, can really, really help you well. Just come with me once.
But I see no point. मतलब therapist भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या कर लेगा? Won't change any situation, no.
Absolutely.
Situation's gonna remain the same.
Absolutely, nothing changes. But the way we look at it, don't you think, Ayushi, Prajakta, something can happen on that?
I don't know.
See, मुझे खुद नहीं पता है प्राजक्ता, गारंटी तो नहीं मैं कह सकती हूँ कि क्या होगा. But why do you think what's the harm in going once?
I don't know.
नुकसान तो है नहीं.
Maybe, yeah.
You know, it's like sometimes हमको लगता है कि सिर्फ it's just the pain in the teeth. पर जब हम एक डेंटिस्ट के पास जाते हैं, उसको पता होता है कि दांत में गड़बड़ हो रही है कि नीचे की नस में कुछ गड़बड़ है या कुछ और करना है ना? So I mean, the person that I know is an expert. So maybe let's see, and she can see another perspective. I mean, who knows? देखो, अगर कुछ हेल्प हो जाती है, जो तुम इतना पेन झेल रही हो, अगर इससे हम निकल पाते हैं बेहतर, तो क्या खराबी है?
I
ये
think
try
it makes
मारने में क्या
sense a
है?
little.
And I'll come with you. I'll come with you.
अच्छा. I think it makes sense a little.
Makes sense?
Yeah.
So let's try once and see. That's what you have to do. So you reflect, you appreciate, you courage. I mean, you value the courage of the client. Get her talking. If I'm a friend, I'm not from the psychology department because or psychology field. I need to just be there and tell her I value you. नुकसान क्या है? चलो एक बार बात कर ली. इतना ही आपका काम है. एक काम और आप कर सकते हो अगर आप कंफर्टेबल हो. You can ask, अच्छा तुम प्लानिंग क्या करी है? Have you ever thought what you are going to do? If there is any plan, then you have to, obviously, either of the ways you have to inform the family by taking them in confidence. Because confidentiality does not hold here. Is that clear, guys? Some basic tips. In fact, I think YouTube पे हमने डाला है ना इसके ऊपर कुछ.
Yes, ma'am, suicide prevention.
Right. So all of you can log on to our YouTube channel, which is with the name of Unique Psychological Services. उसके ऊपर there's a complete video on suicide prevention and also
psychological first aid also.
and psychological first aid also, which is like, what is it like any one of you for whom people, life, relationships mean, who really want कि उनकी life भी meaningful हो और हम किसी ऐसी पोजीशन में हो कि कोई व्यक्ति किसी भी तरह की मुझसे सहायता मांगे, खास तौर पे साइकोलॉजिकल या इमोशनल, तो कम से कम मेरे पास बेसिक टूल किट हो कि मैं उसको सही राह दिखा सकूं. उसके बियॉन्ड अगर मैं नहीं भी कर सकता. सो देयर इज अ वेरी शॉर्ट, आई थिंक यूट्यूब शॉर्ट है. It's a YouTube short for barely few seconds that will be very, very helpful with the name of psychological first aid, and there are other videos on suicide prevention that you can have a look at. That will really, really help you. Any one of you who wish to learn more, you can even join the course that we have on suicide handling, suicide risk management. Sorry, that's the name of the course that we have. Is that all right, guys? Thank you so much. Practice this now. रोल टर्न कर करके प्रैक्टिस करोगे आपस में कि कैसे डील करना. बेसिक आना चाहिए.